Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic today that is about the velocity, acceleration and distance. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can apply the formula in here. V equals to V0 plus 8 delta t. So V0 that is about beginning velocity. We put about 18.5 coulomb here. And at the end we put this one 46.5 delta t, that is into 2.3 seconds. So after we put on the value coulomb here, we can find acceleration in here. So I will put this one go to the left. And we divide both sides by 2.3. So we calculate this one and we have 12.17 meters per square second. And that is about acceleration in here. About the distance, we have the second formula in here. So we have this number, we put this one coulomb here. V0, that is about 18.5. And the last one, that's about 46.5. So we can find about the distance delta S in here. And this one we have 74.77, and that is about meters. This is the end. Thank you for watching.